Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Planner. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, in your Microsoft Planner, you will find three options. You will have your plans, your tasks, and basically My Day. And basically here in My Day is kind of private place or the private menu where you can find or where you can organize your daily task or the task that you have on that specific day or on today. And either you can start creating your private tasks and you can also uh, include them to a plan. So basically here, let's say just write notes or whatever, and basically now it has been added to my tasks. And basically in my task we will find the tasks that are assigned to me, and of course you can filter them however you like. So let's suppose that I had in my plan some tasks that has been assigned to me, so I will just assign this one to myself and assign this to myself. And basically, those are my general tasks. Now we can find the priority. We can find also uh, the urgency of a priority. This one is important. Let's suppose that it has a due date to be, for example, today. And from here, we can find these ones. You can just make sure to leave them. Let's suppose that it has a due date for another day. And let's suppose it's for another day, and basically we want to finish this task for today. So we can simply just click on this 3 point icon and add to my day, and from here we will organize the day by seeing only the task that I want to do in this specific day. So basically I have this one and I want to finish it or uh, do whatever you like, and from here you will be able to focus only on some specific tasks instead of seeing all the list of tasks. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.